Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This comes in a black exterior with a tan interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and GLE 350 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage in this vehicle is 66,523. We've got a push button ignition, Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, backup camera, Mercedes-Benz shifter, climate control, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.